Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a delicious dessert recipe with bread and kisses chocolate. This is very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have a bread slice. Place 2 kisses chocolate on it. Cover it with another slice of bread. Give it a slight press. Then using a cookie cutter, make a cut in the center. You can go with your favorite shape. Then remove the extra bread slices. Also remove the cookie cutter. Then brush some ghee on top of it. Then heat a tawa and brush some ghee on it. Toast the chocolate bread in medium flame for 1 minute. Then flip it to the other side and again toast for 1 more minute in medium flame. After a minute, remove from the pan. Spread some peanut butter on top. Finally, sprinkle some colorful sprinkles on top and your delicious dessert made with chocolate and bread is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this chocolate bread recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.